channel, man, where we have we came here at the Roasterie, Kansas City. It's cold outside, so we getting some nice warm coffee with some warm croissants. And then we have just the old-fashioned croissant. We got the almond, and then we have this is the Earl Grey croissant bun. I believe that's what it's called. And then usually I come and get the frappes, but I wanted some more, so I got the honeycomb, which is like local honey, and then I just think it's express coffee. And then you got what?
I got the peppermint white mocha. It's one of their seasonal drinks.
Alright, so we got some options today, man. We've been struggling. We always come and just get one thing. Yo, that one was good.
It's like super flaky, but it's good.
Try that one.
That's good. I don't know if this is like apple or like this cream in here.
This is the Earl Grey, like sweet bun or something. Oh, this is fire. Yeah, honey butter.
Yeah.
Honey butter on it.
I think I like this one the best though.
Are you working on yours? No, that was fire. I'll trade it.
Making a mess.
Yeah. This was the best one.
No. This one is. Okay, I would say if you like sweet stuff, this one is the best. But if you like just a little something, then that one is better.
So this one has, I'm pretty sure this one has like honey butter on it. But this is fire. This is probably one of the best pastries. This probably is the best pastry I've had, as far as coming to like a coffee place. So I'm gonna try it out.
It's really peppery. No, it's perfect. I like it.
Yeah, that one's cool. Mine's is but then again, I'm not a coffee person, so.
The honeycomb, you have to get iced. Honeycomb ice is like bomb. The honeycomb one.
Make sure you guys come visit the Roasterie. It was a good Good breakfast place. Make sure you come visit the Roasterie. It's a good place to just come and relax. Thank you. Make sure you guys make sure you guys come, you know, have a nice drink at the Roasterie. Thanks again for Yo, thanks for tuning in, man, watching the video. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe as always, man, and we out.